Hi, welcome traders. Welcome to JJP Trading Academy. So right now you can see now the timing is 9:30 in my chart. Now I am sharing the screen for 17th August 2021. So you can see right now I have opened a 4 multi-chart in a single view. So you can see here I have opened the future contract only. So according to the future contract only we have set it alert. So before in our indicator access we have given access for this indicator. This is the 5 seconds as well as 30 seconds time frame indicator. This is one of the strategy indicator. So this indicator we have also updated a new update called trailing stop loss. Through this you can, whenever the market moves towards your side, that means a long or short signal, whenever it triggers, we have given a 0.4% of trailing stop loss. So it will be like this. It will be trailing the stop loss for whatever the points you have kept. And this strategy timing is 9:15 to 12 o'clock. This is the first strategy we have implemented. For every clients we have given access. This is the first indicator we have given access. So if you want to see the before video also, you can see here. So we have implemented this strategy as the first indicator, as well as it is the end session for this strategy is 310 to 325. Okay, so you can also choose option as well as future. This is the basic settings of this first indicator. So today we have fixed a alert for this indicator for 5 seconds as well as 30 seconds time frame. And you can see here we have also updated 3 indicators right now. So this is the strategy number 1, strategy number 2, and strategy number 3. We have updated 3 indicators for every clients we have updated right now. And you can also get 5 days live trial. You can get access with our indicator. And you need to send your premium trading view account ID, and we will be giving you a free trial access for 5 trading days, so that you can check the indicator performance, as well as you can also run every strategy in the same demat account. So this is the easy procedure to run. And whenever you run a 5 strategy with the same indicator, whenever there is no entry for the particular day with the another indicator, another strategy will be giving you a entry. So this is the best method we recommend to start trading with the investment of 1 lakh as the basic investment, because we are going to run 4 strategy at the same time. Okay, so we need to give the investment of 1 lakh, as well as we have also fixed a stop loss right now. And you can see right now the alerts has been triggered for this entry. Okay, so you can see here, this is the morning first entry. It has been taken today. So this is a third strategy entry for 5 seconds time frame. It has been executed at this timing. The timing is 9:22 with 45 seconds. So now you can see here the strategy has been given you a trailing stop loss, as well as we have fixed the default trailing stop loss as 0.4% for this strategy. And this strategy timing is 9:15 to 11:16 only, and the end session is 3:05 to 3:15. That means 3:05, almost 3:05 candle end, it will be closing your position. As well as this is the intraday trade taking time. This is the entry time. So we have updated trailing stop loss for whatever whenever the market moves for a full trendful move, it will be grabbing the full point. So we have fixed the 0.4% trailing stop loss. And you can see there is another entry right now in second strategy. So now it has been taken a long entry. As well as for this strategy also, we have fixed a trailing stop loss. So you can see here in live market, this is the trailing as a basic, it will be there here. And you can see the trailing stop loss for this strategy also we have fixed 0.4%. So this is the point here. So according to the back test, we have fixed the default trailing stop loss like this. So you can see the strategy tester for every strategy right now. And this is the 30-second strategy. This is the strategy number 1 we have given with 30 seconds time frame. Okay, so right now you can see in strategy tester, now I will be sharing, and we need to open August contract to see the full back test of this strategy. So I will be right now opening with the August contract. So then only we can see the past 5 days back test of this indicator. So right now again, for after the long entry, again there is a short entry in this indicator. So right now I will be opening the strategy tester. You can see here the overview back test given for this 30 seconds time frame strategy is 36,740 rupees. It has been reached per lot of Bank Nifty future. So this is the past 5 days back test of this 30 seconds time frame strategy, as well as it has been taken a maximum drawdown, that is 6,000 rupees. It has been continuously hit for this strategy. So this is the maximum drawdown you need to keep in your demat account. So according to this only, we are saying you to keep 10,000 in as a extra amount to be in your demat account. Then only the funds will not be rejected for every trade entries. So this is according to this only we will be calculating the risk management. So you can see here almost 16 trades has been executed for the past 12 trading days. It is showing from the date of 2nd August till date, it is showing the result. So you can see one day it has been taken 13,200 rupees also. So you can see whenever the market moves for the full trade, full moves, this trailing stop loss will be helping you to take the full points in the market. So whenever a single strategy is not working for the particular day, but if you run a multiple strategy in the same demat account, it will be reflecting you the profitable strategies only. So whenever one strategy is not working for the particular day, the market will be running for the another strategy. So we have implemented this procedure to take 4 strategies at the same time. So you will be in a full growthable portfolio you will be getting. So whenever you are trading with the 4 demat account, that means 4 strategy we are trading in a single demat account. Okay, so and you can see this is the strategy backtest for 5 seconds time frame of strategy number 3. This is the backtest 10,000 rupees with 10,000 rupees has been reached for the past 5 days. This is 5 seconds time frame. So the past 5 days only we are getting the backtest, and you can see 13 trades has been executed, and the maximum drawdown it has been taken is 2,838 rupees. It has been taken for the per lot of Bank Nifty index. Okay, Bank Nifty future. Now we are running every strategy in Bank Nifty future only. So according to the future, it will be taking the option strike price also. So you can see right now also. So this is the overview for the third strategy I am showing right now. And before we have seen for the first strategy, right now we have implemented 3 strategy extra with our old strategy. Okay, and you can see here this is the strategy of strategy number 2. This is the past 5 days result. So 10,463 points has been 463 rupees has been reached for the past 5 days, and 4,243 rupees has been need to be kept for your demat account. Then only it will be the max drawdown. Almost it has been taken 4,243 rupees. It has been reached. Okay, so this is the procedure we need to do to implement these 4 strategies at the same demat account. So we are also giving you a 5 days free live trial access to test our strategy, as well as you can see what is happening in the live market for every strategy. So you can see the list of trades, and you can see what are the trades executed till now and how the trades has been executed for per trade, or can we implement any one strategy, or can we implement these 4 strategies at the same time. You can test in a live market for 5 trading days. So we are providing this 5 trading days to be testing yourself according to our strategy. You need to test the back test, and you can also change this trailing stop loss. You can also change this trailing stop loss according to your risk management. Okay, so after the full test only we are going to implement our strategy. So we are also providing you the live trial also. So if you interested traders, WhatsApp us, and you need to provide your premium trading view account ID. This is the ID you need to give before getting demo access. Okay, so you need to provide this profile ID. Through that only we will be giving you access for our 4 indicators as well for 5 trading days. Okay, so after that you can decide what are the strategies you need to run with your demat account. So according to that we will be advising you what is the investment you need to keep, as well as, and you can also start trading with the 4 strategies as well. Okay, okay, let us watch today's market. And today market there is several entries in second strategy as well. A long entry, again short entry, again long has been executed. So you can see here every trade entries there is a trailing. Okay, so this trailing will be helpful whenever the market moves in a one side move. It will be fully taking the points of the market. So whenever we fix a particular target, some days the market will not be giving you that much movement, so you could not take the particular points at the days. But this trailing stop loss will be standardly fixed, and as well as it will be taking whenever the market moves for the same side, it will be taking the full points at the market. Okay. So you can see here in this third strategy, there is only one long entry it has been executed, and for the long entry there is a small trailing has been happened. So whenever the market, the trailing will be 0.4% of the market movements. So whenever the market moves for the upside, it will be moving for the 0.4% upside, and it will be grabbing. And there is no entry for our old indicator. This is the indicator we have given access. And you can see here right now, I will be sharing you the old strategy backtest also. So you can see almost after fixing the ATR trailing stop loss, this is the backtest result. For the past 5 days, our strategy has been reflected 1137 as the loss percentage. That means loss has been happened only for 1137 rupees only. Almost it has been, according to the risk management, we have kept an trailing stop loss. So according to the trailing stop loss, only it has been reflected 1137 rupees has been given for the past 5 days. So it has been executed 7 trades, as well as the max drawdown it has been taken only 3788. So almost only small risk we have taken for the last 5 days. This is our old indicator we have given access for 30 seconds as well as 5 second strategy. This is, so you can see this strategy is only for 30 seconds time frame. So whenever you implement this strategy, you will be getting 36,740 for the past 5 days. This is the past 5 days result. Okay. I think you all understood about the strategy. If you have any other doubts also, you can clear with us. We will be connecting you with the Zoom meet and we will be explaining about the strategy. Hi traders, right now you can see in the third strategy, there is a long entry, as well as whenever we get a short entry, it will be squaring off the long position as well as it will be taking the short entry. So right now this is happened here. So you can see here in this candle, almost it has been taken a short entry again without hitting any stop loss as well as the target. Almost the trailing stop loss is there only. And before that, we got a short entry in this candle at the 942 candle with 50 seconds. It has been executed. So you can see right now the short entry also has been given you a trailing stop loss. So this trailing stop loss is kept here right now because the market is moving trendfully downside today. So you can see in this strategy also there is a short entry. Okay, so there almost it has been given you 3 entries. After the 3 entry right now, this short entry has been fixed right now, and this short entry has been given you the trailing stop loss has been trialed right now till now. Okay, so let us wait for, this is the status today right now. The timing is 9:59 with 55 seconds right now. Okay, and you can also see in the Algosys platform also. Right now only I have started the trading, so now it will be triggered, I think. And you can see the alerts totally because right now only I have started the order book. So whatever the entries taken now only it will be reflected, right? So you can see the alerts. Whenever we fix an alert, the alerts will be reflected here itself. So whenever we start the trading only, the trades will be taken in your demat account. So right now only I have started this procedure. So whenever the next trade entry taken, it will be reflected in order book as well as in our demo demat account. So right now you can see in the alerts you can see whatever the trade entries taken for every strategy, it has been reflected here itself, as well as the long entry, long exit, and every timing you can see. Okay. So if you want to make a screenshot also, you can refer what are the timings it has been executed, the trade entries today. So this is the status till now at 10 a.m. So I will be showing what are the results today. And right now again there is an entry with 30-second strategy also. So you can see here the first strategy, 30-second strategy, there is a short entry again right now. Okay. And this alert has been will be triggered right now. You can see in the order book. This alert has been triggered a put option at the money strike price. Right now I have choose the ATM strike price only. So at 35,800 put option it has been executed with the one lot of trade entries, as well as the timing it has been taken at 10:18 seconds. It has been executed in the Algosys platform, as well as I will be refreshing our demat account also. You can see here, and it also executed in our demo demat account. So you can see the timing is 10:01 with 8 seconds. It has been executed. Same time of Algosys platform execution, it has been taken entry. And as well as you can see the timing of trading view, it has been executed at this candle. 10:01 it has been executed. Almost 8 seconds only it has been taken. So now for the trailing stop loss of 30 seconds time frame, the trailing is here right now. And for other strategies, it has been trailed up to here. And for this strategy also, it has been started the trailing. So the keeping a trailing stop loss is a good method, because whenever the market gives you a full movements, also it will be grabbing. So whenever if today market tends to a short side move fully, it will be grabbing the full points until the end of the trend. Okay, so this is the useful of trailing stop loss. So right now we have fixed for every indicators, we have fixed the trailing stop loss right. Okay, traders, if you want to get access with our indicator, just WhatsApp us and we will be connecting you, and we will be fixing the alerts also. If you get access with the Algosys platform for 7 days free trial, after getting our 5 days free trial, we will be fixing you the alerts also. You can check what are the alerts taking as well as in Demat account. But we mostly suggest you to see the alerts only. No need to take trades before making a confirmation with our indicator. Every strategy you can test in a live market. After 5 days, after getting subscription to our indicator, we will be fixing the best strategy you need, and according to your decision only, we are going to keep the alerts for our strategies. Okay, traders. So let us wait for today's moves. Thank you. So right now you can see there is another entry in our second strategy. There is a long entry again. Short has been closed as well as the long entry has been executed. So right now you can see in the strategy tester also, there is an entry taken for the short entry today. And the before trade entries, these are the 3 trade entries before has been executed. One is 488 rupees has been lost, as well as 292, as well as 208. These are the 3 entries. You can see the arrows also. These are the 3 entries it has been executed. Right now, the last entry for short entry, it has given you a trailing, as well as again there is a long entry here. So it has been squared off at 2,337 as the profit right now. So again there is a long entry. Okay, you can see here almost it has been trailed till now, but again there is a long entry. So it has been squared off the short position and it has been taken a long entry again. Okay. And according to our third strategy, there is a short entry till now. There is no square off, as well as in the first strategy also. So let us wait for the next move. Hi traders. Hi traders. Right now you can see now the timing in my chart is 12:21 p.m. So you can see right now this is the status today right now. So you can see for the first strategy of our 30 seconds time frame, you can see the short entry has been executed, as well as the trailing stop loss has been also given you some moments, and also it has been trailed till 35,836. It has been trailed right now, and you can see for the in second strategy for a long entry it has been executed, as well as our for a long entry also it has given some trail movements, as well as this trailing stop loss has been hit here. Okay, so this is the status of strategy number 2, as well as you can see for strategy 3. This strategy 3 also executed a short entry, as well as the strategy 3 also given you some movements. And right now the trailing stop loss is in this point 35,836. Almost the short entry movements has been grabbed till. So let us calculate what is the movement of short entry. So the short entry has been given you 184 points has been reached for the short entry. Okay, so now you can see here I am calculating according to the measurement. So 184 points has been reached for the short entry, as well as you can see in our old strategy, this is the 5-second strategy right now. So in 5-second strategy also you can see here. So you can see here almost the market has given you 173 points almost reached till now, and our trailing stop loss is in this point right now. 35,834 is the point of trailing stop loss. Okay, so this is the status till now. And And you can see right now I will be changing the old strategy towards the 30 seconds because our strategy is working for 5 seconds as well as the 30 seconds. And you can see in the 30 seconds also there is a short entry and there is a trailing stop loss in this point. So almost for 30 seconds also you can see the measurement right now. For the short side, it has been given you almost 175 points. Almost for 5 seconds as well as 30 seconds. In our old strategy, there is a two entry for short side entry. So every entries has been given you almost 175 points. Okay. So this is the status right now at the timing of 12:23 because our entry timing is still 12 o'clock almost and the entry timing is over. So this is the last entry. So let us see the result of this last entry as well as for for second strategy there is no entry and our entry has been closed because this is the last entry. The stop loss has been triggered and in the first strategy it has been trial till now. So let us wait for how much trial it will be giving the moments. Okay. So if you want to get access with our indicator, WhatsApp us and we will be connecting you and we will be giving you 5 days live trade. You can see with our indicator access. So to get access, just give your TradingView profile ID with a premium subscription. Then only we can give access with our seconds time frame indicators. These 4 indicators as well as you will be getting our full setup for five live trading days. You will be getting access. Okay, after seeing the demo, you can get through our indicator and you can fix for your Demat account as well as in Algosys platform. You can connect with. So you can see here the today order books has been taken every entries perfectly. So as well as you can see in the Algosys platform also the entries has been taken perfectly. Okay, and we have also fixed every strategy's option mapping here. So right now we have fixed at the money strike price. So after getting as a demo of our indicator, after going for live, you can fix whatever the strike price you need, and you can choose it as an option. So you can also run every 5 strategies at the same time. So with the investment of 1 lakh, you can run every strategies, and you can check for the 5 days. And if you want to go for any particular 2 strategies or 1 strategy, also you can go for that. So we will be estimating the investment for that particular strategy, and we will be saying you. So according to that particular strategy, also you can start trading. So thank you, traders. Thank you. If any other doubts, you can WhatsApp us on 7200556708. Thank you.
Traders, till now we have seen every details about our automated trading strategy. And if you have any other doubts with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us. We will be clearing with the Zoom meet and we will be explaining you about the strategy. WhatsApp us on 7200556708 and let us start the consistent earning with the fully automated trade entries.